Problem 14. Isabella has 6 coupons that can be redeemed for free ice cream cones at Pete's Sweet Treats. In order to make the coupons last, she decides that she'll redeem one every 10 days until she has used them all up. She knows that Pete is closed on Sundays, but as she circles the 6 days on her calendar, she realizes that no two circle dates are fall on a Sunday. On what day of the week does Isabella redeem her first ever coupon? So one thing you need to recognize here is that the days of the week can be represented by numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, where this represents a Sunday and this represents a Monday. One thing to notice here is that when we divide by 7 and take the remainders are always 1 to 6 until this is a 0. So if we divide by 7 and check the remainder, we can always determine whether or not this term falls on a Sunday or a Monday or any other day in between. So let's say for case 1, she redeems her first coupon on a Monday, and that is on the 1st. If it's on the 1st, then I get to 11. Now, this is a Monday, and what is 11? Well, 11 divided by 7 gives a remainder of 4, so this is a Thursday, and then we can get a 21. Well, 21 if divided by 7 gives a remainder of 0, and only 7, right, divided by 7 gives a remainder of 0. So that means this is a Sunday. When we reach a Sunday, we must stop, because this is not a correct solution. So Monday cannot be the first day, because we will hit a Sunday if we start on Monday. What about case 2? Well, if it's case 2, we start on Tuesday, then we start on 2. This will be 12, right, and 2 will be a Tuesday. So what is 12? 12 divided by 7 gives a remainder of 5, so that's a Friday, right? Friday. Then we have 22. Well, 22 divided by 7 gives the remainder of 1, so that's a Monday. But then if we hit a Monday, right, this cycle will repeat itself, which is Monday we get 32. But 32 minus 31 days in a month, we get 1 again, and that's a Monday. But then we ultimately hit 11, which is a Thursday, then we will hit a Sunday at 21. So we cannot have the first day to be Tuesday either. So we can cross out B, Tuesday. Now we can do case 3, which is Wednesday. Well, if it's Wednesday here, that's W, and then for the Wednesday, next one will be 13. 13 divided by 7 gives a remainder of 6, so that's a Saturday. But then we also know that's 23. 23 divided by 7 gives a remainder of 2, so that's Tuesday. But then Tuesday gets 33. 33, right? Minus 31 gives 2. Well, if we have a 2 here, that's a Tuesday, and this cycle repeats, but we don't consider this cycle because we already have 3 terms here. She only does this for 6 days. So we have this series right here to repeat into the final last 3 days, and since none of them hit a Sunday, we can know it's Wednesday, and that's your final answer.